Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Apple Books and signing into your Apple ID so purchases and notes sync. Once signed in, make sure iCloud Books is on. This keeps your highlights across devices. Tap Library to see downloads or Bookstore to browse new releases and free samples. Use Search at the top to jump straight to a title or author. Try typing part of a title for faster results. Once you find a book, tap Get or Buy to start reading immediately. You navigate by tapping the center to reveal controls. From there, open contents to jump chapters quickly. Once done, adjust the appearance, font, size, spacing, and background color so pages are easy on your eyes and enable Auto Night theme for dark conditions. Make highlights and add notes by selecting text. Create bookmarks for quick return. If you want to find a phrase, use the book search box. Make sure syncing is active so your bookmarks and notes appear on your other devices. You finish by organizing and managing your collection. Download books for offline use or remove local copies to save space. Once done, use library collections to group books and long press titles for quick actions like mark as finished. If something won't open, first sign out and back into your Apple ID, then restart the iPad. Make sure iOS and Books app are updated. If one title is corrupt, delete it and re-download. That usually resolves persistent loading or sync errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.